Hello to everyone. Today we will discuss postpartum hemorrhage, that is hemorrhage after delivery. Today's topic is postpartum hemorrhage. It is also known as PPH. Introduction part. PPH is one of the complication of third stage of labor. Third stage is the most crucial one for the mother because in third stage there is extraction of placenta. There is ejection of placenta outside the womb in the outer world. So placenta has been removed from the body of uterus. So this is the most crucial and important stage of labor for mother, as so many complications are known in postpartum stage, third stage. Definition, quantitative definition: amount of blood loss that exceeds there are more than 500 ml following the birth of the baby as per WHO. As per WHO, quantitative definition of PPH is loss of amount of 500 ml of blood. Clinical definition: any amount of bleeding into the genital tract or from genital tract following birth of the baby up to the end of puerperium, which adversely affects the general condition of the patient, evidenced by a rise in the pulse rate, falling blood pressure, is called as PPH. Average blood loss vaginal delivery: in vaginal delivery it is almost 500 ml. On cesarean delivery it is 1000 ml, and in cesarean hysterectomy it is almost 1500 ml. PPH can be minor, that is the blood loss is less than 1 liter. It is major, it is termed as a major when it is more than 1 liter, and it is termed as severe when it is more than 2 liter. The incidence is about 4 to 6% in all the deliveries. Types of PPH: primary and secondary. Primary PPH, hemorrhage occurs within the 24 hours following the birth of the baby. These are of two types: third stage hemorrhage, bleeding occurs before the expulsion of placenta, and true postpartum hemorrhage, bleeding occurs subsequent to expulsion of placenta in majority of cases. In majority of cases, true postpartum hemorrhage we can notice. Secondary PPH, hemorrhage occurs beyond 24 hours and within puerperium. Primary postpartum hemorrhage. Now we will discuss in detail about the primary PPH. Causes: atonic uterus, traumatic causes, retained tissues, and blood coagulopathies. Atonic uterus. In 80% of cases, atonic uterus is the cause. Atonicity of uterus is the commonest one. Grand multipara at the high risk. Atonicity for atonicity, grand multipara is at high risk. Overdistension of uterus, malnutrition and anemia, antepartum hemorrhage, cases with antepartum hemorrhage, that is with placenta previa and abruptio placentae. Prolonged labor, anesthesia, initiation or augmentation of delivery by oxytocin, malformation of the uterus. Uterine fibroid, mismanaged third stage of labor, placenta, precipitate labor, obesity. Previous PPH, age factor, that is age after 35 years or 35 years mainly, and certain drugs which are adverse effect on the tonicity of uterus. Traumatic causes, it is in 20% of cases. Trauma following operative delivery, episiotomy, cesarean section, involves usually cervix, vagina, perineum and paraurethral region. Rarely rupture of uterus may occur. Retained tissues, bits of placenta, blood clots. Combination of atonic traumatic causes. Combination of atonic and traumatic causes. It may cause PPH. Thrombin, blood coagulation disorders, either acquired, either congenital, but congenital is rare, and blood coagulation disorders, these are the rare causes of PPH. Diagnosis and clinical effect. The effect of blood loss depends on pre-delivery hemoglobin level, that is hemoglobin level before delivery. Degree of pregnancy, induced hypervolemia, how much water retention during pregnancy, speed at which blood loss occurs during labor. In traumatic hemorrhage, the uterus is found well contracted. In atonic hemorrhage, the uterus is found flabby and becomes hard on massaging. Prognosis: in PPH, It is a life-threatening emergency condition. So increased maternal morbidity, we can notice increased maternal morbidity. Consequence may be maternal morbidity. Late sequelae includes Sheehan syndrome, rarely diabetes insipidus. Sheehan syndrome, that is necrosis of anterior pituitary. Prevention, antenatal, improvement of the health status of woman and to keep the hemoglobin level normal. High risk patients who are likely to develop postpartum hemorrhage such as twins, hydramnios, grand multipara, APH, antepartum hemorrhage, history of previous postpartum hemorrhage, severe anemia. Blood grouping should be done for all women so that no time is wasted during pregnancy. All women with prior cesarean delivery must have their placental site determined by ultrasound MRI to determine morbid adherent placenta. Women with morbid adherent placenta are high risk of PPH. Intranatal. Active management of third stage for all women in labor. Cases with induced or augmented labor by oxytocin, the infusion should be continued for at least 1 hour after delivery. Woman delivered by cesarean section, oxytocin 5 international unit, slow intravenous is to be given to reduce blood loss. Carbetocin, long-acting oxytocin 100 microgram is very useful to prevent PPH. Exploration of uterovaginal canal for evidence of trauma following difficult labor or instrumental delivery. Observation for about 2 hours after delivery. Expert obstetric anesthetics is needed. Anesthetist is needed when the delivery is conducted under general anesthesia. Local or epidural anesthesia is preferable to general anesthesia in forceps, ventouse or breech delivery. During cesarean section, spontaneous separation and delivery of placenta reduces blood loss. Examination of placenta and membrane should be routine to detect any missing part. Management of third stage of bleeding. Principles in the management: to empty the uterus of its contents and to make it contract, to replace the blood that has been lost, and to ensure effective hemostasis in traumatic bleeding. So homeopathic management for PPH, it is the well-known drugs are Cicalcor, Trillium pendulum, Sabina, Hemamelis, Cinchona officinalis and Bovista. These are well-known drugs for hemorrhage. Specifically, we can prescribe these medicines in postpartum hemorrhage. These medicines are very good anti-hemorrhagic medicines. Thank you for giving me the chance. Thanks a lot.